Yo. Somebody was telling me earlier today, Zanu PF member, he was so happy that, where did your Triple C take you to? Yo, everything has been cancelled by Sadc. They didn't cancel anything. They postponed it by 2 days. Some are even saying, it's 2 years. Some are saying it's 1 year. They're no longer going to hold the extraordinary summit. Chamisa, Namibians. What? Come on, guys. Stop blowing the trumpet. You're making a fool of yourselves. You're making a fool of yourselves. Look at right now. They were laughing and saying, it's over. We're going to march for the sanctions or whatever, taking out the citizens, telling the citizens to march, for the removal of sanctions, which is just a waste of time. Even the NPF members, they actually probably happy that they postponed the meeting, the extraordinary meeting, making it by a year or so. And by those so doing, you know that our president, Mr. Mnangagwa, is actually the incoming chair of Sadc, and by then, when they're holding a meeting, the Sadc chair will be Mr. Mnangagwa. So it's over for Triple C. They should just quit, whatever. So, newsflash. Well, they just postponed it by 2 days. In 2 days, actually today is being held. That meeting is starting today, and we're gonna have maybe earlier today. We're gonna be having the results. We'll notify. So make sure that you subscribe. You hit that notification button so that when I drop the video reacting to the Sadc final extraordinary meeting results and report, you are notified. If you find this interesting, if you find this actually hilarious, please make sure that you subscribe down there below. Zanu PF members are making a fool of themselves right now. They are peeing in their trousers. They are peeing in their shorts, busy coming up, busy jumping into conclusions without knowing the full information of things. They were busy making noise on Twitter telling us, it is being cancelled, they're on our side, whatever. Come on. It has nothing to do with any of that. Stop going ahead of yourselves, guys. Stop being disappointed by things that are easy controlled. Come on. Anyway, it's hilarious that I actually found this information right now, that there is a sad extraordinary meeting actually happening, because yesterday they were marching in Harare for the anti-sanction whatever day. I don't know which sanctions that they're talking about, but apparently the sanctions that are on Zimbabwe, they are not on Zimbabwe. They've been imposed on the leaders of Zimbabwe, not the economy. So stop being lied to, people. They haven't imposed any sanctions on people, on the citizens of Zimbabwe. They were not targeted on the citizens of Zimbabwe. The citizens of Zimbabwe's sanctions are the Zanu PF itself. The Zanu PF is the biggest sanction of Zimbabweans. Stop lying to people. Stop. Go to the streets and whatever. You are lying to people. You are wasting people's time. Please stop lying to people. Okay? Anyway, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share to anybody that you find this hilarious to. Come on, let's grow the channel. Let's keep updating each other on the latest information happening, guys. Make sure that you subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.